Exercises are merely labels. We need to get to the roots of what we are doing. Exercises are merely labels. That's kind of the idea of the pose. And I used to teach yoga and be very adamant about saying the name of every posture when I came into it. And then it's like I kind of got out of that habit. And one of my teachers, which I love, and she's always like, do you say the name of the pose before you come into it or after you come into it, or when do you say it? And I said, it doesn't matter what the damn name is. It matters what you do when you're in the pose. That's what matters. You know, I know Sanskrit and I can pronounce it all, but that doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean that you're going to do a better pose because you say Paschimottanasana. It doesn't make the pose any better. Okay? So when we're looking at it, it's just floofy stuff. Okay? Just like the next exercise fad. It's a fun name with someone on the box of it with a small sports bra and shorts. And it's like, I want that body. And it's just a label. It's just a label, people.